Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Physical security methods. Physical security methods refer to the measures and practices implemented to protect physical assets, facilities, and individuals from unauthorized access, theft, damage, or harm. These methods encompass a range of strategies and technologies designed to create a secure environment. Examples of physical security methods include access control systems such as locks, key cards, and biometric authentication, as well as surveillance systems including CCTV, cameras, and alarms. In this lesson we'll learn about physical methods for restricting access to systems, backup procedures for protecting data, physical methods for restricting access. Physical methods for restricting access are employed to control and regulate entry into specific areas or premises. These methods involve the use of physical barriers and mechanisms that limit unauthorized individuals from gaining entry. Examples of such methods include fences, walls, gates, turnstiles, and doors with access control systems. These systems can include key cards, biometric readers, or PIN codes to grant access only to authorized personnel. Site security locks. Site security locks play a crucial role in protecting properties, facilities, and assets from unauthorized access and potential security breaches. These locks are designed to provide a high level of physical security and are specifically engineered to withstand various forms of tampering or forced entry attempts. Common types of site security locks include padlocks, deadbolt locks, cylinder locks, and combination locks. They are made from durable materials and often incorporate advanced features such as pick-resistant mechanisms, reinforced shrouds, and anti-drill plates. Card entry and biometrics. Card entry and biometrics are advanced access control systems used to regulate entry into secure areas. Card entry systems utilize electronic access cards or key fobs that are programmed with unique identifiers. These cards are presented to card readers, which then authenticate the user's credentials and grant access if authorized. Biometric systems, on the other hand, use physiological or behavioral characteristics to verify an individual's identity. This can include fingerprints, iris or retinal scans, facial recognition, or voice recognition. Biometric data is captured and stored in a database, and during access attempts, it is compared against the stored data for authentication. Closed-circuit television and security staff. Closed-circuit television, CCTV, and security staff are integral components of comprehensive security measures. CCTV systems employ strategically placed cameras to monitor and record activities in designated areas. These systems serve as a deterrent to potential intruders and provide valuable evidence in case of security incidents. They can be used for real-time monitoring or for retrospective review. Security staff, such as security guards or personnel, complement CCTV systems by actively patrolling and observing the premises. Alarms. Alarms are essential security devices used to alert individuals or authorities of potential security breaches or emergencies. They play a vital role in both residential and commercial settings. Alarms can be triggered by various events, such as unauthorized entry, fire, smoke, motion detection, or the activation of panic buttons. When an alarm is activated, it emits a loud sound or visual signal to attract attention and notify occupants or security personnel about the situation. Alarms can be integrated with security systems, enabling them to automatically contact the appropriate authorities or trigger other security measures, such as video recording or door locking mechanisms. Protected cabling and cabinets. Protected cabling and cabinets are essential elements of secure infrastructure for data and communication systems. Protected cabling involves the use of physical measures to safeguard data. Transmission lines from unauthorized access, tampering, or interception. This can include using armored or shielded cables, which are designed to resist physical damage and prevent electromagnetic interference. Additionally, secure cabling may employ techniques such as cable encasement, underground installation, or cable conduits to minimize the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive data. Backup procedures. Backup procedures are crucial for protecting data and ensuring business continuity. They involve the creation and regular updating of copies of important files, databases, or systems to safeguard against data loss, system failures, or disasters. There are three main types of backup that we perform. These are full backup. This is a complete backup of all your data. This provides excellent protection but is time-consuming and requires huge amounts of data. Storage capacity to store the backups. Incremental backup. This is a backup of only the data that has changed since the previous backup. This is obviously much quicker and requires less storage space than a full backup. Differential backup, a mixture of the previous two. A business takes a full backup and then takes backups of data that has changed since that last full backup. So, you might do a full backup at the start of each week and then incremental backups each day of the week. These are normally not run manually by IT staff, but as a planned automatic backup procedure that will run regularly at a set time, each day or week. There are also important differences in where we store our backups. We have three options here too. On-site backups, stored in the same building as the original data. This makes it easy to recover the data even if the network is down but could be destroyed by whatever damaged the original data. Off-site backups, stored in a different location as the original data. This is generally seen as more secure as your backup will be protected from whatever damaged the original data. Recovering the data can be slow as you need to fetch the data from the off-site location. Cloud backups, much like off-site backups, your data will be stored in a different location but will be connected via the internet. With the cloud, you can have a real-time sync of data between the IT systems as the cloud storage to ensure the latest version of the data is available.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.